Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how we can remove ad interests on our Instagram. So first that, head over to your Instagram application, get logged into your account. Select this three-bar icon, select Account Center. In here, select Ad Preferences. And under Customize Ads, select See All. And these are all the pages who are showing you ads. So tap on any one of them and select Hide Ads. You may go ahead and do the same for other ad as well. Select Hide Ads. Now select Manage Info. In here you will see categories used to reach you. Tap onto it. And likewise, it says categories associated with you. Advertiser can reach you based on other categories, so on and so forth. You may go ahead and remove every one of them. You may go ahead and view all, and if you remove every one of them, the ad interest will not be shown to you. So guys, once you do that, restart your device, launch your application again, and it will fix your problem.